Hey friends, we are making a gingerbread house centerpiece. We started with a wood base, went in with styrofoam, and then covered the styrofoam with a simple green garland. We do this for texture, for coverage, but we are going to go in and add a lot more greenery and pretty things. Wait till you see. The star of the show is going to be this beautiful gingerbread house, light as a feather, handcrafted by me. You're able to find this in my shop. I'm going to put the link below. We're going to go in with these cupcakes that I got from Walmart, these lollipops that I got from Hobby Lobby, and more pics of greeneries and things. I wanted to put in a little Christmas tree on one side of the house. Both sides of the house are the same, so this centerpiece is a 360 degrees centerpiece, meaning it's the same pretty on both sides. So now I'm going in with a green, some green with snow, and I cut down the branches and I'm sporadically putting them in, making sure that we make a uniform snow and not snow greenery. I always like to add in a different type of greenery for more texture, color, to reflect more in nature. So I'm adding a little bit more. And now we're going to start with our sweets. So the cupcakes that I have from Walmart have 3 on each pick. So I think I used both of them. So I used 6 cupcakes and I arranged them around. These cake pops are also from Walmart. And we are going to add them in. I'm going to show you how. So I wanted my cupcakes on different heights, different places, and I wanted to interball them with my cake pops that you just see me putting in now. The cake pops come in a set of, I believe, 5. I did cut them down some, but you'll see on the side right now, I just put in all 5 of them in their different heights. So that gave me the opportunity to move them around the greenery. And we're going to be doing the same on the other side. In case you're wondering, because during the live I was asked, I am using a pick machine and I'm using my glue pot to insert all my picks in the styrofoam. We're going to put in this very pretty ribbon because it just gives me the feel of gingerbread and sweets and all of that fun stuff, right? And the colors are just perfect. And all I'm doing is 1 loop with 2 tails and then just simply adding them in here and there. Making sure that the colors go in, the loops aren't too big. I'm pretty sure the loops we measured and the loops were about 4.5 inches and the tails, I ended up making them about 6 inches each. However, it really depends on the length of your greenery around your centerpiece. And I am using floral U-pins to put my half bow into the centerpiece. So we did a few of those around. And then we're going to continue with more sweets. Now I'm going in with these lollipops. Now this pick I purchased a while ago. I'm pretty sure it was from Hobby Lobby. And it has the 2 colors, the pink and the green. I'm sorry, the pink and the blue. So it was perfect for this type of arrangement with all the colors that I wanted to put in. The picks are pretty long, so I am cutting them down to make them proportionate. to whatever side of the arrangement that I am using.